See children, I have drawn x-axis and y-axis for you first. Now what you are going to take on x-axis, the class interval, that is the daily wages given in class, okay, and here we are going to do it. We are going to represent the daily wages on x-axis, right? And see, from here as we are starting, write the classes. Let's see whether we can accommodate till 900 or not. Let's see. If I leave one unit and start, if I start 800 from here, 810, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 900. Okay, and if I leave two lines and start from here, if I start like this, 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, and it's not possible, so we will leave one unit and do. But here we will just put one zigzag over here, zagged line we will draw to tell that from 0 to 800 we have included this in this unit. Okay, so we are starting from 800. This will be 810. This is going to be 820, 830, okay, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890 and then 900. Is that clear to you? And the zagged line, zigzag line, this line tells you that from 0 to 800 comes in this unit. And you will write here weekly wages. Of workers. Is that clear? Now we will go for the y-axis grading, and you can see here we will take workers. Frequency is what? Maximum is 9. You can see here to the maximum frequency 9. So we can take one unit as one worker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Is that clear to you? And what are you going to label this y-axis with? You will write workers, number of workers, or just workers will do. Okay, so this much clear to you? Anyways, hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, as I told you, you can call me at my number anytime and make it clear. Right? Now we will draw the bars of histogram, and here the bars are going to be connected with each other. There won't be any space between the two bars. The first class interval which is there is 800 to 810, and what is the frequency? 3. And from 810 the next bar starts to 820 and the frequency is 2. Let's see how we are going to do it. Okay, now from 800 to 810 it is representing 3 number of workers having salary, weekly salary between 800 to 810 is 3. So this line, this vertical line of the bar graph you will get, but this one you will get from the next frequency given of the next class interval. 810 to 820 frequency is 2. So here now you can join it. This line, it will end up over here. So now 820 to 830 frequency is 1, right? So draw the line. Here 1, this one, and 830 to 840 it's 9. Okay, so 9, this bar will extend to 9 like this. Okay, and then next one is 840 to 850 and frequency of it is 5. So this bar will come back to 5. Okay, so इस तरह से आप जोड़ोगे और 5 से, हाँ, like this it will go on. Understood? So there won't be any space between the two bars. You can see they are connected with, joined with each other, and likewise we will complete the whole histogram. So this is how the histogram depicting the given frequency table looks like. Okay, so this is the view of the histogram prepared based on this frequency distribution table. Is that clear? So hope you can draw rest of the or do rest of the question of the given exercise 5.2. and now my next video is going to be how will you answer the given pie chart and how to draw the pie chart from the given table. Before leaving, I would like to tell you how to answer the question from the table or the graph. Here you have 3 questions under question number 4. Which group has the maximum number of workers? Right? Now for that what you have to do, you have to compare this, you have to see this table and answer maximum number of workers getting salary between 830 to 840 is 9. 9 workers are getting. Your next question is how many workers earn 850 and more? So you have to check out the number of workers getting salary 850 or more than that, right? And in the previous question you were just supposed to mention the group. So for that you just had to see the frequency where it is maximum, and in front of that whichever class interval is there, class is given, that class you have to, or group you have to write. So in the first question answer is 830 to 840 because 9 workers, maximum workers are getting. And in the next question, you have to see more than, who earns 850 or more than that. So the workers, so from here you start 850 और उससे ज़्यादा, मतलब एंड नहीं दिया गया, starting is given to you. So you will add up all these frequencies till here. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10. So your answer is going to be 10. 10 workers are earning 850 or more than that. How many workers earn less than 850? Less than 850, your frequency starts from here. Less than 850 means here. From here, all the frequencies you have to add. 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So your answer is going to be 20 workers. Okay? So we come to the end of histogram section or end of exercise 5.1, where rest of the questions you have to do it on your own and put your homework in your WhatsApp group. And next exercise is about pie chart, how to draw and how to answer the given pie chart in exercise 5.2. Okay, so this was about 5.1 and next exercise is 5.2, and I'm going to come with that exercise in our next video, as I told you. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.